together. We've got 4 discs on the shaft, and this and then these plates here go in between the layers, and you can see how I did it. So these are 2 pieces that get hitched together like the original magnetic motor. And I think what I'm going to do, instead of just charging the plates, I'm going to dump Ed Gray's radiant energy from the grids of this tube onto these plates, and I'll feed that through a simple brush arrangement, and that'll be ether against ether, so that should be pretty cool. Anyway, we'll see what that does. Plus I can try the energy from a cap being discharged onto the plates, which are actually acting as a cap. So these plexiglass pieces will be the capacitors, and then the ones on the disc will have the opposite polarity, so there should be repulsion there. If not, then we're going to go and use the Ed Gray tube here, and I already know how to do that, so anyway, that all works. So anyway, we're gaining. Slow process.